change or a chemical change, and you're going to do the experiment test. It'll be interesting, and I think it really will follow all the steps of the scientific method, which I think is great as we're heading into ACT. Good? All right. So go ahead and start opening your workbooks to page 272. Page 272. As you're getting there, today I'm highlighting another, for Black History Month, I'm highlighting another lady from the movie Hidden Figures. Dorothy Vaughan. She worked behind the scenes as a mathematician during the space race for NASA, and she was NASA's first Black supervisor. So if you haven't seen that movie Hidden Figures, I highly encourage you to. Yeah, it's a good movie. And Dorothy was I think she was the older, little kind of slightly heavy set woman who was the supervisor. And those people in the movie, they're not the real people, but they're based on the action. That whole movie is based on a true story. All right, so we're going to page 272 today. I'd like to get all computers closed. I want everyone's attention right now. Everyone's on 272. Thank you, Aiden. ACT. Today is probably our last day working in the workbook. We may do one other short activity. ACT is 3 weeks from yesterday. So we are 20 days away from the ACT. School days, only like 14, 15 school days left. Actually, 13 or 14 school days for the ACT. So as a reminder, y'all, I just want the best we can. So today, before we do a little practice, on 272, it talks about a couple of things that are important. So it says, number one, the learning targets, recognize when to use appropriate strategies to answer standard ACT questions, and develop a method to address difficult questions during the test. So basically today, I just want to give you some general advice. I'll probably repeat a few days before the ACT. On the ACT, should you ever leave a question blank? No. ACT does not penalize you for incorrect answers. They only give you points for correct answers. So I know this kind of sounds like weird information, but if you have, let's say there's 2 minutes left, a minute or two left, you have 10 questions left to answer. At that point, what's your best thing to do? Quit or click? Yes, just click. Well, you say quit. Just answer, put something in. Because statistically speaking, you should get 2 or 3 of those questions right. Okay? However, I don't do that if there's 20 minutes left. Okay? Okay? Another thing, 2 other things before we look at this prompt that we're going to look at here in a minute. Unlimited answer choices. I know sometimes you don't know everything. A lot of times, can you eliminate 1 or 2 answer choices? Yes. And if you can eliminate the answer choices,